Everyone, it's Friday, October 30th. Today, after you go and check in on campus, you are going to be working on a short story theme map for your choice story. So last week you read either Ruthless, Blue, or The Sniper. So you might want to go back and open up that on Common Lit, whichever story you chose. And today you are going to start working on getting stuff ready for your final paragraph for this. So to do this, the first thing you're going to do is a theme map. So you'll click this, open it up, just like you have been in the past. And then it'll bring up this theme map that you guys are used to seeing that you've done. And then just like yesterday, you need to put in evidence from your story that you think helps support your theme that you created on this page. Remember, themes should be universal. You should have a topic, claim, and a qualification. When you're doing your evidence, don't forget to cite. So remember, after your evidence that is in quotation marks, you should have a citation at the end. So you should have parentheses and the author's last name. We don't have page numbers because these stories are all on Common Lit and there are no page numbers on there. Then when you're finished with that, you can start working on your outline, which is due at the end of the hour on Monday. If you get your outline in on time, I will be going through them and looking and giving you a little bit of feedback to help. To get there, click on that and then make a copy. And it'll bring up this page. So for this short story paragraph, you are writing a paragraph about the theme of the story. So you need to follow this outline. So you should have a topic sentence, a setup, evidence, tie back, setup, evidence, tie back, and a concluding statement. You might want to go back and look at your theme notes if you need those. I also posted on Schoology some theme notes. So if you go to Schoology, down into the writing unit, which was our last unit, and then scroll down to the end. If you click on this essay format notes, it'll bring up this page. So it has all of the essay format notes in one page for you. So that might be a helpful resource to use as you are looking through this. I also have a final paragraph assignment for you here. So we talked about this at the beginning of the unit, but it might be a good idea to go back and look through this again so that you can see what all the requirements are and so that you can check out the rubric down here that's linked. If you have questions, please let me know. Your outline is due Monday at the end of the hour, so if you don't get it finished today, don't freak out. Any outlines that are due on time, like I said, will get comments back. So keep that in mind. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to get comments from me before you turn in your final. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.